Blockaid, the revolutionary Australian-designed bracket that ensures the correct location of reinforcing steel in masonry block wall construction. Blockaid is an easy-to-use plastic bracket that fits into the top of a masonry block to securely and effectively position the horizontal reinforcing steel within the masonry block wall during the wall construction. After the final course of blocks are laid, the vertical reinforcing steel can be lowered into the wall, passing through each blockade to ensure correct positioning in accordance with the engineering specification. As a result, the vertical bar aligns adjacent to the starter bar, without requiring any wire tying to maintain its position during core filling. The BANCL 190 Blockaid is used where reinforcing steel is non-centrally located, such as a retaining wall, and Blockaid is designed to comply with the Australian standard specification for the minimum cover required. Where the vertical steel is to be centrally located, such as a factory bay wall, the BACL 190 Blockaid is used, which locates the vertical steel in the centre of the block wall cavity in compliance with the Australian standard. Failure to correctly locate the reinforcing steel in masonry walls is a leading cause of structural problems. Accurate positioning of the steel with the use of Blockaid ensures engineers' specifications are met, therefore providing safety and security. Blockaid is also used to align control joint dowels to ensure the dowels are all aligned parallel in the wall. Without correct alignment, a control joint is liable to fail because the misaligned elements are in conflict. Structural engineers now have a product available that guarantees the positioning of the reinforcing steel within a block wall at minimal cost. In addition, when engineers inspect a masonry block wall prior to core filling, the blockades, being moulded in bright yellow material, can be easily seen in the wall cavity to quickly determine that the steel has been correctly placed with the use of Blockaid. When Blockaid is used in a masonry block wall construction, there is less incentive for a builder to cut corners in the steel placement, such as not providing sufficient tying of the steel to ensure correct location prior to core filling. The method of tying the vertical reinforcing steel to the horizontal reinforcing steel to keep the steel in position during core filling is labour-intensive and relies on the block layer for accuracy. The use of Blockaid can save the builder up to 20% in construction time and improve the accuracy of placement when compared to a wall built without Blockaid and the reinforcing steel is required to be tied in place. Blockaid can be used in all types of reinforced masonry block walls, such as retaining walls, multi-storey basement walls, load-bearing walls, factory bay walls. For accurate positioning of horizontal and vertical steel reinforcements and for the alignment of controlled joint dowels in masonry block walls, Blockaid is the solution. Blockaid, the revolutionary Australian-designed bracket that ensures the correct location of horizontal and vertical reinforcing steel in masonry block walls, has arrived. Inquire today at One Steel Reinforcing. For further information, please refer to our website, blockaid.com.au.